Hey GlassHive community, I'm Jasmine from GlassHive, and I'm here to walk you through all of the exciting updates for February and March. We've made some big moves: smoother navigation, performance optimizations, emojis in the Collateral Builder, and a bunch of improvements for our ConnectWise users. There's plenty to cover, so let's buzz into it. When it comes to improvements and enhancements, we have plenty to cover. First up, we've added the ability to sort and filter custom fields on both company and contact pages. That means quicker searches, better organization, and easier segmentation of your data. Speaking of smoother experiences, navigation got an upgrade. The browser back button now works properly when you're viewing company or contact details, so you won't lose your place when moving between pages. Form integrations on external websites also got a fix. If a page refreshes after the form submission, no worries. It still went through with no lost data. Moving on to the Collateral Builder, you can now add emojis to your PDFs. It's a small touch, but great for making your marketing content more fun and engaging. To keep GlassHive running at top speed, we've set a new limit for contact list uploads, now capped at 100,000 records per file. This helps improve system performance, especially when working with large databases. We didn't forget about opportunities either. You can now sort and filter custom fields on opportunity pages, giving you more control and visibility over your deals. Lastly, across the entire platform, we've improved filtering performance, making your searches and sorting faster and more responsive. Now for our ConnectWise users, we've made several updates to boost accuracy and speed when syncing companies, contacts, and opportunities. You can now manually export companies and contacts, even with auto sync on, perfect for when you need to push an update right away. And that's a wrap on our February and March 2025 update. For a full list of updates, including all bug fixes, just click on the link in the description below. We're now rolling out updates weekly and sometimes even daily, so don't miss a thing. Hit the notification bell in GlassHive to stay in the loop. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We can't wait to see you again next month for another amazing breakdown of all the magic we create here in the Hive.